If you've ever felt tight in your hips or shoulders, this routine is for you. Welcome to a powerful 5-minute stretch flow to energize your hips and shoulders, the two areas that carry us through every twist, turn, and step. It's perfect for anyone who spends too much time sitting, working at a desk, or even recovering from a tough workout. All you need is a soft mat or surface. You can do this routine in your living room, bedroom, or even outside to soak up some morning energy. Most people would give up on creating space for movement, but here you are, making time to take care of your body. I promise you by the end of this flow, your hips and shoulders will feel lighter, your mind clearer, and you'll be ready to conquer the day. Let's hit the mat. Let's wake up the body with a classic downward dog. Start on all fours with your hands shoulder width apart and knees under your hips. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips toward the sky, creating an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the floor and your palms into the mat, feeling the stretch through your shoulders, back, and hamstrings. This stretch energizes the entire body, elongates the spine, and opens up the shoulders while releasing tension in the legs. I promise by the end of this, you'll feel refreshed and aligned. Beginners can keep a slight bend in the knees and focus on lifting the hips. Advanced movers can walk their hands and feet closer for a deeper stretch. Lower back onto all fours as we prepare for bird dog. Let's fire up your core and balance with bird dog stretches. Stay on all fours, extend your right arm straight ahead and your left leg straight back, keeping your back flat and stable. Hold for a moment, then return to center. Alternate sides, switching to your left arm and right leg. This movement strengthens your core, improves balance, and activates your glutes and shoulders. By the end of this, you'll feel grounded and stronger in your movements. Beginners can keep their toes on the mat for extra stability. Advanced movers can hold the stretch longer or add small pauses for more engagement. Stay on all fours as we move into fire hydrants. Time to loosen up and activate your hips with fire hydrants. From all fours, lift your right knee out to the side, keeping your foot flexed and your back flat. Lower it back down and repeat for 30 seconds. Switch to the left side and repeat the movement. This stretch targets the hip abductors, strengthens the glutes, and improves hip mobility. I promise by the end of this, your hips will feel activated and free. Beginners can keep the range of motion smaller. Advanced participants can add a small circular motion to the top of the lift for more engagement. Sit back into a kneeling position as we prepare for the kneeling chest opener. Let's counteract all the forward hunching with the beautiful chest opener. Kneel tall, clasp your hands behind your back, and gently pull your hands downward while lifting your chest and chin toward the sky. Focus on opening your shoulders and breathing deeply. This stretch relieves tension in the chest and shoulders, improves posture, and allows your upper body to feel lighter and more expansive. I promise by the end of this, you'll feel your chest and shoulders completely opened. If clasping your hands feels too intense, grab a towel or strap and hold it behind your back for extra support. Release your hands gently and stand up for wide stance toe touches. Let's finish with the stretch that opens up your hips, hamstrings, and spine. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart. Reach your right hand toward your left toe. Twisting your torso as your left arm reaches toward the sky. Switch sides, reaching your left hand toward your right toe. Continue alternating sides for 1 minute. This stretch lengthens the hamstrings, opens the hips, and improves spinal mobility. By the end of this flow, you'll feel looser, lighter, and fully energized. Beginners can keep a slight bend in the knees. Advanced participants can twist deeper and focus on keeping their legs straight. Slowly rise to a standing position, take a deep breath, and celebrate completing the flow. Fantastic work, fam. You've energized your hips, opened up your shoulders, and brought life into your entire body. You've taken the first step toward an incredible day. Always remember that you've won the day just by showing up. There's a special gift waiting for you in the description. It's packed with the tools to help you level up your journey. Go check it out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.